You're watching How Leap. Let's fix Facebook search by posts not showing. First, update the Facebook app. Go to your device's app store, search for Facebook and tap Update. Then clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Facebook, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. On iPhone, offload the app via Settings, General, iPhone Storage, select Facebook, then tap Offload app and reinstall it. Next, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Also, ensure you have the latest version of your phone's operating system. Then, check if you have any active Facebook restrictions that limit search features. Finally, log out of Facebook completely and log back in. If the problem persists, the issue may be with Facebook's servers, which you can check on a site like Down Detector. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.